Good afternoon. Well, the beginning of this week is going to see a snap of cold weather across Britain, but later on those temperatures will start to rise again. At the moment we've got complex low pressure around, lots of cloud and rain, and that's keeping it fairly mild. Only to the north of the weather front have we got the colder weather indicated here by the green colourings. As you can see, that will sweep down across the country, bringing us a couple of cold days for Monday and Tuesday. But then later in the week, things changing again. Let's begin to see milder conditions moving our way from the Atlantic. So temperatures on the up again, if only slowly. As for today, at the far north of Scotland, only in single figures already, cold weather here. For the bulk of the country, into the teens, peaking at 16 or 17 Celsius in parts of the south, just up into the 60s Fahrenheit. But for England and Wales, a rather brisk and even fresh southwest wind. Now, some eastern areas are a little bit bright still at the moment, but generally a lot of cloud around, the rain really falling quite heavily around the Irish Sea. And for northern parts of England, Wales, down through in towards the west country, more wet weather to come through the remainder of the afternoon. Late afternoon and into the evening, that rain pushing its way right across to the east. By then, it'll become somewhat drier across Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland too. Drizzly rain will have moved south, allowing that colder, brighter weather to move into the north of Scotland. The southwards progression of the main area of cloud continues tonight. For many parts of Wales, central and southern England, it will remain cloudy with at least a little drizzle and rain and some heavier bursts of wet weather around. But further north we'll see the skies clearing. There will be showers following, and these will be of snow over the Scottish mountains. We can expect some frost in Scotland tonight, the first of a couple of frosty nights to come. Windy too with those cold northerlies. We can see the run of cold northerly winds right across the country during Monday, pushing that weather front well out of the way. Still a run of showery winds in the east on Tuesday, but a little complication, this set of weather fronts, which I think will tend to bunch some of those showers together, particularly in the north and east. For Monday, though, cloud and rain across southern areas, moving fairly smartly away by the middle of the day. Really cold across many areas with those cold and strong northerly winds, bringing sunny spells, but also showers. They'll be heavy with hail and thunder in places, snow for the Scottish mountains, and even perhaps some sleety weather in 1 or 2 showers as far south as Northern Ireland and Northern England, just every night. Tuesday, still really quite windy, particularly in the east. Rather more in the way of cloud around those showery bursts of rain as it moves across the north and east later on. But southern and western areas fairly fine with few if any showers. There will be some frost early on in the south. As for Wednesday, as one little weather front clears away, another will start to approach from the west. So some early frost in the south, the showers clearing but drizzle and rain moving into the west. And then we're into a really strong run of gale force southwesterly winds, bringing that weather front ever closer for the end of the week. So some bright weather at first on Thursday, the rain's gathering, and over the last 2 days of the week, the rain moves in. Bye-bye.